Hi, and welcome back to our Social Security Disability blog. I'm Natalia Jofre with the law firm of Hill and Ponton. I'm the Social Security Director.
And I'm Shelly Mark. I'm the Senior Social Security Attorney.
So we're talking about long-term disability and Social Security disability. And we told you all that we pretty much always recommend that you file for Social Security disability benefits even though you're getting long-term disability. And we're going to explain to you a little bit about some of the things to either be concerned about or watched for. And I think that the most important thing that people need to know is that Social Security does not offset your benefit because you're getting long-term disability.
Right.
So in other words, if Social Security is going to pay you $1,000 and you're already getting, $1,000 from long-term disability, Social Security isn't going to say, well, you're already getting $1,000 from them, so we're not going to pay you. Social Security is going to pay you your benefits in full. They're going to pay you your full monthly benefit, and they're going to pay you your full past due benefit. So any money that they owe you from when your claim is pending.
Right.
What doesn't hold true is the reverse. So you need to check with your long-term disability company because, like we told you in our prior segment, for the most part, they do want you, your long-term disability company also wants you to file for Social Security disability, but they will usually garnish your past due benefits from Social Security disability once you're approved. Right?
Yeah,
So
that's correct. And usually, like you said, they encourage you or require you to file for Social Security benefits, and then they will charge you back or take those past due benefits to make up for what they've already paid out in your case.
So while your claim for Social Security was pending, long-term disability was paying you, and then at the end of the case, no, you were talking about the offset. So if let's use the same example. So if Social Security is going to pay you $1,000 and long-term disability, your long-term disability benefit's $1,200, then long-term disability will pay you the $200 difference. After Social Security pays you the first $1,000.
That's correct.
That's at the end of the claim.
Sure.
Or once your monthly benefits start. And as far as your past due benefits go, they're normally going to make an allowance for the attorney's fee. And the reason they do that is because they want you to get approved.
Right, yeah. And I've had clients tell me before that their long-term provider encouraged them to use a certain firm or a certain national center or something. And just so people know, you don't have to do that. They do have a right to seek out any attorney that they want to for the Social Security, not just whoever their long-term disability recommends.
Yeah. So that's not always going to be the case. I mean, you can check with them and see, okay, do you have a rep? Can I get my own rep? Normally, I've never had a situation where normally if you have your own rep, they're happy. As long as you're filing and as long as you have someone representing you, we've never had a situation where they didn't make an allowance for our fee. So in other words, if they say, okay, we paid you $20,000 in past due benefits, we want that 20 back. But if they have to pay us a $4,000 fee, then they'll say, okay, we're going to subtract your attorney's fee. You only owe us the $16,000 out of your Social Security back pay. I also feel it's important to mention that it may sound like we're discouraging you from having long-term disability. I think that long-term disability is a wonderful benefit to have because at least you have some sort of income while your Social Security claim is pending. Because Social Security doesn't have temporary benefits. They don't have partial benefits. You basically just aren't getting anything. So at least you have some sort of income from long-term disability until your Social Security benefit starts.
Right, yeah, definitely.
If you're approved.
It's a lifesaver for a lot of people.
We're going to be talking more about why it's important, not just for the here and now, but for later on in your lifetime, why it's important to file for Social Security. But we'll talk about that some more next time.
Okay, sounds good.
In the meantime, if you have questions or concerns, feel free to visit our website or call our office.
Thank you.